30. You have maximum to be what? 40.
Yeah.
Please, are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. And here too, we have the same thing. Starboard 10, starboard 20, starboard port 10, port 20, whatever that. Okay. And here you can see that we have our some readings here. That's manual and what? Autopilot. Are you okay? And before you you use the autopilot, always you have to come to midship and you tune it to what? Autopilot, and you set a course for the for it to what? Steer itself.
Okay.
Are you getting it?
Excuse me, before the setting of the autopilot, repeat your.
I'm saying that before we use this autopilot, wherever the helm is,
You need to come to mission.
wherever the helm is, you need to what? Come to what? Midship. Please, are you okay? You need to come to midship. Now, when you come to midship, the officer in charge will set a course for this thing, the autopilot to follow. Are you getting it? Right. So after he sets a course for the autopilot, you just tune it to autopilot. So right now, this is the course that it will be what? Steering. See, you see that? You see that it's moving. Basically, that's it. So right now, I'll be at mission. Now let's get through the brake equipment first, and I'll take you through. So we have our bearing ring. This is our bearing ring. Okay, in the morning you have to check the position of the sun. Okay, to see where we are. That route. Okay, we have to locate ourselves. Now, so in corresponding to the time zone, that's when always you have to check where you are with what. The sun will tell you the GMT and everything. So that's when we use the azimuth ring. So we have repeaters. This thing, we have repeaters at the bridge ring. When you go to the bridge rings, you see some of this at the bridge ring. So we call that one repeaters, gyro repeaters. Are you getting it? So when you get there, just take your bearing, blah blah blah. You can do your calculation. That one is for the officers. Okay, so when you can advance, that one, if you come and meet me, I'll just take you through that. Are you okay? Now, from there we have our engine room console. We have our engine room console. This the advanced form of this is this. This one too is engine room console, but this one contains a lot. Okay, this one contains a lot of it. Are you okay? Now, this here is your it's have to come. This one is your GMDSS, Global Maritime Distress and Safety System. Global Maritime Distress and Safety System. Now, in case man overboard and everything, search and rescue, in case you are in a distress, the procedure that they use is this one. The APEP and everything, they are going to use this. I'm not going to launch it though. We have the manuals here and everything. I'm not going to launch it though because they are not yet advanced. I'm just brushing it through. Yeah. And here you find your radar. Your radar. Radar means the RA stand for radio, and the D stand for detection, and the A stand for end, ranging. So radio detection and ranging. Radio detection and what? Ranging. You see, at first we are using what do you call it? This is called binoculars. We use the binoculars to do what? Proper what? Lookout. But right now, the radar aids us in that. Tells us that, we are close to a vessel. There is this thing here. It detects. Please, are you getting it?
Yes.
It's somewhat transponders and it's within somewhat, but it depends the strength, your radar strength, how far it can detect. It's have ranges. We have 3 centimeters, we have 6 centimeters, we have 9. So it depends the range. Please, are you getting it? So if you are in that range, as I'm here, if you are in my radar range, I can what? I can see you automatic, and that will prevent me from what? Colliding with you. That one I will use what? The binoculars. But at first we were using what? We still use the binoculars when we are having what? Fog.
Yes.
We don't see what clearly. That one the radar can what? Detect. Because radar, if it's a metal, it reflects it high. Are you getting it? It will differ from wood. It will differ from what? Rubber. Meaning that rubber, the reflection won't be high. Wood, it will be somewhere like moderate.